What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $150 a day uploading simple videos to earn some easy passive income. Now with this strategy, there are tons of people actually doing this strategy right now, and with this strategy, they're making a lot of money with this because they're getting seen by a lot of people in a short period of time. So in this video, it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial showing you what this is, how you can set it up, and it will only take you about 30 minutes per day in order to build this. And the more consistent you are with this and building up your audience of people, you can actually start to earn more and more money. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's dive into the content and let me share with you how you can create these short videos and how you can upload them and start making money. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So the first thing that we need to do in order to make this strategy work, we need to find a niche and a product to promote. So what we're looking at right now is clickbank.com. You can also check out digistore24.com, and both of these websites are marketplaces to where you can actually find products to promote. So the product has already been created for you. You don't have to worry about doing concerning yourself with customer service questions or anything like that. The only thing that you will need to do on both of these sites is find a product, grab your affiliate link, and your affiliate link is basically a link that's going to be tracked to you. And what you want to do from there is you want to get as many people to visit your affiliate link as possible. And the more people that visit your affiliate link and actually see the product, it will increase the likelihood of you getting sales. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to find a product. I'm going to show you a website that you can use, or an app that you can use pretty much, in order to get a lot of eyeballs to your affiliate links. And then I'm going to share with you these short videos that you can upload that will help you to get more people to your affiliate link. So over here on ClickBank, if we look on the left side of the screen, we can see a variety of different categories or niches that we can find products in order to promote. So for this example, we're going to come here where it says spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. And underneath this category, that includes astrology, numerology, manifestation, and all those type of things. So as you can see here, we're going to see a whole list of products that we can actually promote in order to earn some income. So you can come down here, you can search some of these particular products, and if you want to know more information about the product, what you'll do is you click here where it says affiliate page, and this is for the numerologist website, so we can click on this here. And once we are here, we can see all the information that we need to know as affiliates in order to better promote the product. So they're going to give us custom banners, custom ad text, all these type of things to help us to be successful in promoting their offers. And the reason why they're giving us all this information is because the more sales we make for them as affiliates, the more sales they make as a company. So they're going to give you everything that you need in order to promote this product. And you can also do the same thing here on Digistore24. Again, on the left side of the screen, you can see a variety of different products. If you were to stick with the spirituality niche, you'll click on that here on Digistore. And then you'll see their products that come up for this particular niche. And then all you would have to do here is you can click on the affiliate support page, and it'll bring you to a page similar to this particular product. They'll let you know the best ways to promote it and the additional tools that you will need. And then you'll just click on promote now, and then it will automatically give you your affiliate link. And it's the same thing that happens for ClickBank. And the same thing with the numerologist products. If you wanted to promote it, all you have to do is click on promote, and it will generate an affiliate link. You can also do the same thing here with this particular product, Soul Manifestation. And you can just click on the affiliate page, get the additional details that you need to know, and then also you can click promote to grab your link. Now that you have your link, you have your product that you want to promote, the next thing that you want to do is we need to actually go to a particular phone app, and we need to download this app. in order to get a lot of people to visit our affiliate links. Now, the beauty part about this app is that it has a lot of attention on it right now, meaning that a lot of people spend a lot of time on this app, and this is where you want to be. This is where you want to put your information, your affiliate link, in order to promote to these people, so that way you can start earning commissions. So if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also give this video a thumbs up, and let's get back to the content. So the app I'm referring to is TikTok. Now, with TikTok and this strategy I'm going to share with you, you do not have to show your face in the video, okay? And I will share that with you next on how you can create these short videos. But with this particular app, a lot of people are using this app. We see people who are actually creating these 15 seconds or even 60-second videos, and they're getting millions of views on their videos. And if you get a lot of people to view your videos, a percentage of those are going to actually click on your affiliate link, and they're going to want to know more about whatever it is that you're promoting or to get more information. So this is what we're going to do, and this app is free, right? So we're just going to leverage this free app in order to get a lot of traffic to our affiliate offers. So as I've shown on this channel before, here are a few examples of people who are actually leveraging TikTok in order to promote their affiliate offers or even to promote products that they have created on their own. And also, if you have any type of product or service that you actually offer to people, you can also leverage the information that I'm sharing inside of this video in order to get more people to visit your website. Now, what you would do is you'll just create these short videos, and then you'll tell people to go to your bio, and inside of your bio, you want to include your affiliate link. Now, before I show you how to make the videos, what you want to do is once you have grabbed your affiliate link, you want to come to this website, bit.ly.com, and over here it actually shorten your affiliate link. Now, the reason why we want to do that is because with these affiliate links, they tend to be very long. We want to use very short links that we can promote on this TikTok app. So again, you'll grab your affiliate link, you will include it here, and then you'll click shorten, and you will get like a short link that will be bit.ly.com/ and just a few numbers and letters, and that is it. So once you have done that, shorten your affiliate link, and then what we want to do next is you want to create your account on TikTok. So go to your phone app, open up TikTok through your Google Play Store or the App Store, download it, and what you want to do is you want to name your account with your niche. So just like how I shared here, this is for a particular person who is promoting a keto product service. So what they did was that they named their account Keto Recipes. So you want to use keywords in your username so that way you can be found. Same thing with manifesting numbers or manifesting this or whatever it is. You want to make sure that you have your keywords or your niche inside of the actual username. Now, the next thing that we want to do is we need to find a video to use in order to put on TikTok. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to a website called pexels.com, and then we're going to click on videos. And here they have free, royalty-free stock videos that you can use to promote your business or to create these videos. So we click on the videos tab, and let's choose something like waves. And the reason why we want to choose something like waves, because if we're in the manifestation or the numerology niche or something like that, people like the sound of calming waves and things like that or whatever else. So we can choose one of these videos, and you can see this is a continuous video of some waves, right? So what you can do is just download this particular video to your computer. So now I'm going to share with you a website that you can use for free in order to create these TikTok videos so they are in the same format when you post them on TikTok. And right now we're looking at Veed.io. Now they do have a free version that you can use, and then they have a paid version. I think it's about $10. You don't have to use the paid version just now. You can use the free version. Just make sure that the videos that you're using are short in order to leverage the free version. And the video that we got from Pexels will fit in that category because it's only 15 seconds long. So it'll actually work perfect for this. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to click on upload video. And what you want to do is you want to find the file in your computer, and then you want to upload that video. So now that's what we're looking at right now. Now what you need to do in order to change the size of this video is come over here where it says size. We're going to click on this down arrow, and we're going to scroll down to where it says TikTok. So now we have it in the format that we will need to use in order to upload it to the app. Now, what you want to do is the text that you want to include on this particular video are, something like a manifestation quote, or you want to teach people about repeating numbers. Repeating numbers like 111, 222, and things like that are really important to people who are inside of this community, because it's a way for them to get, messages or whatever else from the universe, from infinite spirit, or whatever else. So that's what you want to do with these particular videos. You will come over here to google.com, and then all you will put in here is manifestation quotes. And now you see like a whole bunch of manifestation quotes come up, and what you can do is come over here to images, and then you can find a variety of different quotes that you can include. So let's start with something like this, like believe in yourself. Now you don't want to use something really that short, but you can find any of these, and you can copy this text, and then also if the author is attached to it, meaning like they have like who the author is, just like how this quote is from Neville Goddard, make sure you include that as well inside of your video. But what you can do is you can come back over here to Veed, and then what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on text. Next thing you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to click on the plus button, and now it's going to give us our text right here. So what we're going to do here, we're going to come over here to the text block, and we're going to put in believe in yourself, right? And then what we want to do is if you want to change the text, you can do that here. If you want to change the color, you can change the color here. If you want to increase the text size, you can do that here. You can adjust it to how big you want it to fit. And you can do all that here. And what you want to do is you want to stretch out the text throughout the entire clip. Now, once you have done that, you are done. All you have to do next is you want to download this or export this. You want to download it onto your computer, and then what you want to do is you want to come back to the TikTok app. Then you want to upload it. Now, when it comes to if you want to promote multiple manifestation or spirituality products, what you need to do is come to this website. You'll come over to the website, and it's for Linktree. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to google.com, insert Linktree, and it'll actually bring you the link. It'll show you the URL in order to come to this website. And on here, you can create multiple links on here, so that way you can actually promote multiple products on here. But when you first getting started with this strategy, start with one product. And this is what multiple people are doing on TikTok. They're creating these videos, these short 15-second videos, and then they're telling people to go to their bio and click the link. And if somebody comes to your bio and they click on either your bit.ly link, that will actually take them to your affiliate link for whatever product that you have chose, they will click on that to learn more information. And again, with TikTok, thousands of people are on this app every single day, and you have a better chance of reaching thousands of people every single day to watch your content. And again, the more people you have visiting or watching your videos, and increase the likelihood of people actually clicking on your link in your TikTok bio in order to find out more information about what you're promoting and for you to get a commission. So in this video, I shared with you a simple way that you can make $150 per day uploading simple videos. Now that I shared that with you step by step, again, all it will probably take you is about 30 minutes per day to maintain this. And what you want to do is you want to upload at minimum 3 of these 15-second clips per day. The reason why you want to do that is because you're actually growing your account on TikTok. So in order for you to do that, you need to produce more content in the beginning, and then you may be able to lax off a little bit more once your account starts to grow. But in the beginning, upload 3 of these 15-second clips with text inside of it, and you are done. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, if this is your first time watching this channel, comment below, let me know where in the world you're watching from. Also, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.